Hi, I'm Jackie with Angel Food Ministries, and we're here to show you what we have to offer in the July Bountiful Blessing Box. With the 22 pounds of protein and all the items in the box, you will be able to prepare a different array of meals for your family. Today, one of the recipes we're going to prepare is white chicken chili with the ground chicken in the Bountiful Blessing Box. First, we're going to saute onion in the Dutch pan. This is a good suggestion for the summer months because you can do chili in a salad, soup in a salad with cornbread and crackers. Makes for a light dinner. As we saute, they're going to get a little bit transparent. Once they start becoming transparent, we're going to add the different items to the pot. Okay, so now let's add some green chilies. So that was a can of green chilies. We're going to add some flour. Cumin, it's our chicken broth. And our white northern beans. While we have our stock simmering for the white chicken chili, we're going to fry up the ground chicken in a separate pan. Just going to brown this chicken. You can use ground chicken or ground turkey just as you would ground beef, and it's a little bit more lean. Now with our ground chicken almost ready, once it becomes done, I will drain the grease off, add it back to our stock, let it simmer probably for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it'll be good to go. Now that the meat's done, I'm going to take it over, drain the little bit of grease out that's in there, and add it to our stock to let it simmer for a few minutes. With our stock ready to go, our chicken's ready, we're going to add it to it. Stir it in real good. Let it come back to a boil. After we bring it to the boil, just turn it down and let it simmer. Once you've added the chicken to the stock, you want to let it simmer for about 10 minutes and then it's good to go. You can add all your garnishments that you would like to. Our next meal we're going to prepare is chicken with spinach and pasta shells. So we're going to use the chicken and the spinach out of the July Bountiful Blessing box. We're going to add the garlic. It says 2 cloves, but I went ahead and got the minced garlic, so it's just a little bit more simple for you to do. Going to make sure the chicken's cooked through and through. Probably take right about 8 minutes. At the same time that this is cooking, I'm going to get the heavy cream, get it to a simmer. This is going to be the base for the cream sauce, cream cheese sauce. That garlic gives such a good aroma. Now that our chicken is thoroughly cooked, we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to add our spinach from the Bountiful Blessing box. We're going to let that cook together for a few minutes. While that's warming up over here, we're going to, in our cream pan, the whipping cream, we're going to add cheese. And chili powder. We're going to let this warm up. We're not going to let it boil, but it's just going to thicken up. Stir the spinach and chicken again. While all that is cooked, we have cooked the package of pasta shells and have those drained and ready to go. Okay, the sauce is thickened up back here on the back. So to this chicken and spinach we're going to add the cream sauce. I'm going to turn this down so that we can just get all the ingredients combined. Last but not least, we're going to add those pasta shells. There you go, chicken with spinach and pasta. Our next dish we're going to cook is citrus sauce pork chops. We're going to combine some chicken broth that I've made. Take cornstarch. And cumin. Oh, that cumin gives it some kind of aroma. You're just trying to dissolve the cornstarch. That's also going to act as a thickening agent for this broth. While we're stirring this, we have the saucepan with a tablespoon. I use canola oil. You may use what you want. Olive oil, canola oil, peanut oil. Okay, now that we have that stirred, we're going to come put this over here beside the stove as we pan fry our pork chops. Flip it over once. Just letting those saute around. I'm going to flip them back over. I'm going to take these three, put them off to the side, and cook the other three. Some of these pork chops are a little bit thinner, so it might not take as long for those to get done. Now that the pork chops are all done, I'm going to add the chicken broth and cornstarch. With the cumin. And add orange juice. And last but not least, we're going to add the baby carrots from the July Bountiful Blessing Box. So here we go, put the lid on it and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Just making sure that your baby carrots are done. Okay, today we have prepared 3 meals. In this bowl we have the white chicken chili with the ground chicken from the July Bountiful Blessing. In this one we have the spinach as well as the chicken breast with pasta shells and a cream sauce. And last but not least, in this one we have pork chops with a citrus glaze and the baby carrots. These are just a few suggestions for meals out of your July Bountiful Blessing box. And until next time, we'll see you then.